I'm back. Hey y'all. Hey booze. I know you wondering what's this video about, but this video is about these eyebrows, y'all. I'm doing an updated eyebrow tutorial, so if you are interested to see how I got these eyebrows to look like this, go ahead and continue watching. I'm looking kind of raggedy right now, but at the end you'll see the finished result. Today is going to be a video on how to do these eyebrows, so if you would like to see how I do my eyebrows at this time, stay tuned. If you haven't already, thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and let's get to this video, y'all. So I did not see the little razor thing to clean it up, so I'm just going to pick a few hairs with my tweezers, and hopefully that'll clean it up good enough. Got these tweezers from Sally's, and it was only for like how much was it for? For like 52 cents. I think that's so cute. She's so Afrocentric, and these are some good tweezers. You don't want to take too much, but you just want to line it up. You see how clean it is now underneath? And then I want to do the same thing with the other. So now is the important part, the filling in. And I'm going to put a little loose powder on there because I'm oily, y'all. Yeah, here we go. Put some loose powder on there so it can last longer. So we're just going to fill in, and I feel like you should start at the arch because that's where you want to accentuate. You don't want to accentuate it too much, but that's where you're accentuating it. And you see how I did that line right there? That's just to outline how you want it. But your focus is on this arch and you want to make it slight. And I hate when people have that eyebrow that go all the way up here. That's not really how real eyebrows look. You just want to use the hair that you have and accentuate it. You know, that's it. It's like extensions. But you're just filling it in. You're drawing the outline. And then you're going to spoolie towards the front. So you can kind of blend it in because towards the front is where your hairs are. So that's where you want to keep it. You don't want to have this big blunt line. You want to keep it looking like your natural hairs there. See that? It looks like natural hair. If you want to accentuate it a little bit more, you can use mascara and the spoolie for the mascara and do it very lightly and to the left and right. Very lightly left and right. So it could accentuate the hairs. And then you're just going to use the spoolie to bring it back up. And it's just accentuating the hairs, give you that messy look. We're still going to clean it up in the end. It's just, this is what's making it appear fuller towards the top. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other eye. I never do the left side, but you see. But don't worry, I'm going to clean this up. That's the good thing. Because of concealer, you can clean it up. It look it look crazy. I look crazy right now, but no worries. I'm first going to use this MAC little pot. It's in NW45. This is Wet and Wild. I don't know the name of it, but it looks like this. And I got it for like, it was $1 or $2 or so. But I'm going to clean up the bottom because this is a hot mess right now. You see that? You're just lining it up. You're outlining it. So I'm just doing it so it can have the mirror effect. And then you're going to bring it down. You just don't want that line there. You're going to bring it down. See? See? And then we're going to shape up this top. Now normally people use their makeup or foundation. It doesn't matter because you're still going to end up blending your makeup anyway. So it's not going to be too extra light because this concealer is not extra lighter than my skin. Extra lighter. So even if I put this over on the top, I'm still going to put my foundation on top of it. So it really doesn't matter. You see that? I just lined it. And then what you're going to do is bring that line up. So the line is not, the line of demarcation is not so noticeable. And it'll be easy for you to blend your makeup with it. Now you can use any other type of concealer you want. Basically all you want to make sure for the concealer is that it's thick and that it's not too far, not too light for either or. Because I hate when it's this extra light thing right here or it's extra at the top, you know. You see how when you blend it, it gives you room for when you start blending. So it don't look crazy, like too crazy. And then you can spoolie it out a little bit more if you wanted to. So it can kind of blend a little bit better. I'm going to spoolie this, and you see how I'm spooling it outward? Yeah. And don't worry that it's so close because this is what you do for that. Yep. See that? That's all you have to do. And this is pretty much the end. I spoolied it, and if you want to make your arch a little bit more bold, you can just, you know, clean it up a little bit more. But this is pretty much it. And I'm gonna, you see how I'm making that a little bit shorter because I don't like my arch to be long. I like it to be, you know, a little more shorter. Yeah, so I'm about to do my face and show you guys the end result, but this is my eyebrows. So I'll be right back. Hey y'all. So this is my finished look. It looks so polished, like polished. If you guys want to know what foundation I used this Marc Jacobs Genius Gel in the color 86 Cocoa Deep. So that's the foundation that I used for this look. But this is my eyebrow tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up, like, and subscribe. But thanks for watching my video, and I'll see y'all next time.